Homeowners in Clinton Township are always looking for ways to improve comfort, reduce energy bills, and boost the value of their homes. One of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing Bow windows. Beyond their beauty and elegance, these windows provide significant energy efficiency benefits that can make a real difference in day-to-day living. Natural insulation for year-round comfort. Bow windows are designed with a curved structure that typically combines 4 or more glass panels. This structure creates an insulating pocket of air that helps regulate indoor temperatures. In the hot Michigan summers, the extra layer of protection reduces the amount of heat entering your home. During winter, when icy winds sweep across Clinton Township, Bow windows help trap warmth inside, keeping living spaces cozy. The improved insulation not only ensures consistent comfort but also reduces reliance on heating and cooling systems. Less energy consumption means lower monthly bills, something every homeowner can appreciate. Maximizing natural light without sacrificing efficiency. One of the standout features of Bow windows is the way they flood interiors with natural light. Their expansive, curved design brings in sunlight from multiple angles, brightening up living spaces and reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. But more light doesn't have to mean more heat. Modern Bow windows are made with energy-efficient glass options, including low-E coatings that filter out harmful UV rays and minimize heat transfer. For Clinton Township families, that translates into a brighter, more cheerful home that doesn't overheat in summer. Improved ventilation and airflow. Bow windows can be configured with operable panels, allowing you to enjoy better ventilation. By opening sections of the Bow window, fresh breezes can flow through your home, improving indoor air quality. Better airflow reduces the need for air conditioning during mild seasons, further lowering your household's energy usage. In Clinton Township, where seasonal changes are significant, this flexibility gives homeowners a cost-effective way to stay comfortable year-round. Long-term savings and return on investment. Energy-efficient upgrades are not just about saving money month to month. They're also an investment in your property's future. Homes with modern, efficient windows typically appraise higher and are more attractive to buyers. A Bow window combines functionality with visual appeal, making it a selling point that sets your home apart in the Clinton Township real estate market. The energy savings, combined with the boost in curb appeal and resale value, create a strong return on investment. Sustainability for the environment. Choosing Bow windows isn't only good for your home, it's good for the planet. Lower energy use reduces your household's carbon footprint, making this upgrade an environmentally responsible choice. In a community like Clinton Township, where families value both comfort and sustainability, energy-efficient Bow windows align with modern eco-conscious living. Customization for maximum performance. Every home is unique, and Bow windows can be customized to meet specific energy efficiency needs. Options such as double or triple pane glass, gas fills between panes, and insulated frames all enhance performance. Local installation experts in Clinton Township can guide you through the choices to ensure your Bow windows deliver maximum savings and comfort. A smart upgrade for Clinton Township homes. For homeowners who want to enjoy stunning views, natural light, and year-round comfort without sacrificing energy efficiency, Bow windows are an ideal solution. They combine beauty with practicality, making your home more inviting while lowering energy bills and contributing to a greener environment. If you're considering ways to upgrade your home in Clinton Township, Bow windows are a smart investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and long-term value.